Howdy everyone, this is Grandpa with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best House Apartments. Hey, I'm here at the Fairway North Fields, in Frisco, Texas. This is right by the PGA, Frisco. Man, we've got a beautiful 3-bedroom here. This is a 3-bedroom. The price is phenomenal and perfect, and there's so much square feet. There's so much light, beautiful windows here. So, what I would say to you is, wow, come see this on a virtual tour. I'm going to walk around a bit so I can just point out a few things, but be thinking about when you can contact me and go ahead and set up a virtual tour. I'll take care of that for you. Okay, first of all, you've got this beautiful island. This island is huge. You can actually fit 4 chairs here if you want to on this super pretty white island. And then you've got this gorgeous kitchen. I mean, look at all these appliances. They're really beautiful white cabinets too. You've got a really nice pantry that's here, just lots here. You've got just gorgeous appliances, just gorgeous white. And then just feels really open. You can have a lot of people over here in this area. This is a 3-bedroom too. So this is the master that's over there. And then we're going to see the other bedrooms actually on part 2. Also, it has this is actually a study area, kind of a desk study area, but they put, this model furniture here. But you can easily make this into just a work study. It's a perfect area for that. Let's go now and check out the bedrooms. We'll do that on video too. Again, if you're ready for that virtual tour, let's do that now. Send in that request. That's my number below and just text me.